If you happen to be in London and you're looking for something to do, you might want to take yourself down the Tate Modern, because at the moment down the Tate Modern there is an installation, I believe that's what the archetypes call it, by a lady called Yayoi Kusama. And basically what you'll find is she built in the middle of the Tate Modern art gallery a white apartment. The floor was white, the walls were white, all the furniture was white, and that's how it started off. And then she invited members of the public to go into this white apartment and stick coloured stickers wherever they want, onto the floor, as you can see, onto the walls, onto the furniture, wherever they want. And it's referred to, this installation, it's referred to as the Obliteration Room. And I was in there recently, just intrigued really, and it reminded me, it struck me that what we were looking at was just the opportunity for people to leave their mark, people to leave something behind by which they can be remembered. And it's really that thought process that leads me to want to talk about counselling, because within counselling, we're all, the people who come to see us here at Daniel Picave Counselling do it because they're just trying to understand what their mark is. They're trying to understand what their role is in terms of life, and they're trying to understand what they're going to leave behind in terms of the journey that they've had, because at the end of the day, all of us want to leave something positive behind, don't we? We want people to remember us as we move on, as we not ultimately die, but as we move house and we move areas and we move from one side of the world to the other, whatever it is we're doing, move jobs. As we do that, we want the people who are left behind in the old chapter to remember us in a positive way. We want them to remember us as a bright, positive colour. We want them to remember us as a good sticker, rather than something that's pretty negative. And so people come and talk to us here at Daniel Picave Counselling because they're trying to understand how it is that they become a bright sticker, how it is that they can ensure that their life is a positive contribution to everybody else's. And surely that's all that the bulk of us are trying to do, is try and just be a positive contribution in our own life and a positive contribution in other people's. And it just struck me when I was walking around the Obliteration Room, by Yayoi Kusama. I just thought, well, this is it. This just embodies what it is we're all trying to do. We're just trying to leave a positive mark. We're just trying to leave something that others will remember us by, and not be despised by us, not be upset by us, but remember us positively. So if you think that possibly just talking to somebody and getting some professional experienced insight into how your life is looking and whether it is you're heading towards a brightly coloured sticker, then maybe you want to contact us here at Daniel Picave, because we'd love to have the opportunity to talk to you, and we would love to have the opportunity to help you leave your mark, not in the Obliteration Room, but leave your mark in life's room. Contact us soon.
Hope you liked that video. Remember to hit the like button, and press that subscribe button, and remember to ding that bell. If Daniel Picave Counselling is something that interests you, perhaps you're going to like that video, so why don't you watch that next? Failing that, if McKenzie Picave, our family law support service, is something that is going to be of some use to you, perhaps you want to watch that video. Or failing that, just get in touch, and we'll see you next time.